Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on DeFi AI. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in user.defiai.io and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for DeFi AI. Just wait for a while until the page is loaded. And now, once you're in the home page, click on the register button at the top right corner to continue with registering to your account. If you get a message telling you that system performance enhancement work is under process, then this means you are not able to access the website currently, and you will have to come back at a later time during which the registration is available. You can proceed with your email address and also directly your Google or your social media accounts to sign up for DeFi AI. The process is pretty straightforward, and you simply need to enter your email address first, followed by your desired password, and then verify your account after this process is done using your email address. And once you do this, your newly set up account will be ready to use. And then you can use your credentials within the login section to sign into your new account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on DeFi AI. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.